Spaghetti alla matriciana is a beloved classic from the Lazio region of Italy, specifically the town of Amatrice. With smoky guanciale, tangy tomatoes and a sprinkle of Pecorino Romano cheese, this party pleaser is known for its bold flavor and it can all be created in under 15 minutes. Begin by adding the Napolina olive oil to a pan, followed by the onion, then sweat on a medium heat for a few minutes until the onions begin to soften. Next add the guanciale and fry for a few minutes further, saving a spoonful to top the dish with at the end. If you can't find guanciale, you can use pancetta as an alternative. Next, add the dry white wine, Napolina chopped tomatoes, followed by the salt and pepper to your liking and the red chilli, then mix together into the aromatic sauce. Next, add a ladle of precious pasta water, followed by the cooked Napolina spaghetti and grated pecorino, and toss together in the sauce. Then serve up into 2 bowls and top with some of the fried guanciale and a little extra pecorino. Then take a bite of this classic Italian dish that you'll be craving again and again.